Do you have a pile of scrap fabric sitting around, taking up space in your stash? Let me show you how I'm turning scraps into something totally wearable. This is part two of sewing my patchwork jacket. I've been piecing together leftovers from my sustainable summer wardrobe series, and my vision is finally coming together. At first, I only knew I wanted to sew a jacket, no idea the exact pattern. A few days in, I landed on the green pepper French Glen pattern because it had a clean, simple design I was looking for minimalist, with pockets, and a button up front. Since I opted for the print at home pattern, I decided it'd be easier to cut the pattern pieces out on tracing paper. But even after reading the directions and cutting out my size, I wasn't sure it was going to work. So I compared the pattern piece to my favorite work vest, and luckily it matched up pretty well. I didn't want the fabric to move while I was cutting it, so I made sure to put in a lot of pins to stabilize the back to the actual pattern piece. Then I committed to this pattern size and cut out the back piece. There's no returning from this point on. And there's 5 other pattern pieces that I've got to piece together and cut out next. What's your opinion on patchwork clothes? Cute or too chaotic for you? Follow along to see part 3 and if this scrappy experiment actually turns out into the jacket that I'm imagining.